Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really bright and colourful Play-Doh rainbow ice cream bars. Don't they look great? For this you're going to need rainbow coloured Play-Doh, lollipop sticks, a Play-Doh rolling pin and a Play-Doh knife. You're also going to need a plastic sheet. So the first thing we want to do is to roll out our colours. We're going to do this one by one. I'm starting with yellow, followed by orange, and I'm working my way through the rainbow, as you can see. You don't have to start at yellow. Blue looks great. Now I'm going to take my rolling pin and roll the colours, merging them together. Once that's done, take your lollipop stick and put it on top. We're then going to cut around the lollipop stick in the shape of an ice cream bar. Now we're going to place our colours on top of our plastic sheet. Use the plastic sheet to help handle the Play-Doh as you go. It'll stop it from sticking to the surface. It'll also help you to flip it over. And there we have it, a rainbow ice cream bar made from Play-Doh. Let's see how else we can do it. Taking the strips of colour that I've just made, I'm going to roll out the rainbow in a different order. I've got blue at the top and pink at the bottom. I've now got an orange lollipop stick. Cut out the shape and we've got a whole new ice cream bar. Now I'm going to repeat the process. My rainbow's much thinner this time. It still looks great though. Use your rolling pin to roll the colours together, and now we're going to cut them in two. This way we've got a double rainbow. Roll it flat and add your ice cream stick. It looks great, doesn't it? There you go. And there you have it, Play-Doh rainbow ice cream bars. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone.